But we young right now, we got right now. So get up right now, 'cause all we got is right now.
Clap your hands, everybody, and everybody just clap your hands. Come on, clap your hands, everybody. Everybody just clap your hands. Break it down. Gising sa umaga. Lang. What? Barkada.
Kala nyo yun lang.
Eskwela.
And Tatigo City.
Here we go.
105.5
FM.
105.5 105.5 Happy Pips, handa na ba sa buong araw na masaya? Kasama ang The Ultimate. Tara na, let's go, wag magpalit. Kasi araw-araw ay para party. Lahat enjoy, everybody happy. Kulit at tawa na tugtugan sayaw. The Ultimate nila, sigaw ng bayan. So, ano bang inihintay? Lipat na dito mo ilagay sa
One more time now.
105.5
FM.
105.5 FM. 105.5 FM.
Yeah. Mula sa harap, likuran, kaliwa at kanan, sige lang galawan, magsayawan na magdamagan, walang tigilan na pagpawisan.
Yo!
Lahat ay pwede, walang depende, kuya at ate, sosyal maarte. Naglalakad, naka-jeep, naka-ride, o kahit pa di kotse.
Lika!
Sumayaw, gumalaw, sumayaw. Umindak sa tunog, gumalaw, igalaw ang buong katawan, sige lang isayaw. Sumabay ka sa tunog, aba sumisigaw. Gamot sa kalungkutan, ang kasiyahan, maging mga problema ay malilimutan. Tanging paraan kung di mo makayanan, ang sakit ng ulo na mahirap maiwasan.
So ngayon nandito na ang mga BFO upang magpasaya na lahat ngayon sa inyong sa Channel 3. Kami ang LB at mga kasama nyo, taglis nyo. Nandito na sa yung nawala. Teka muna, papasa ko na. Okay, clap your hands everybody. Everybody just clap your hands. Come on, clap your hands everybody. Everybody just clap your hands. Let me say hey, hey, ho.
Hey, hey.
Let's say hey, ho.
Hey, hey, ho. Maraming salamat po, Pampanga's finest, DJ Tico. Break it down.
The dance icon of Central Luzon, Viva Alegrato, and the best rap artist of Central Luzon, Crazy G Senior, and the Pampanga's finest. Palakpakan po natin sila na malakas.
Ang event po natin, ang Ultimate Dance Challenge, ay nabuo upang ma-develop, ma-promote, at ma-showcase po ang lahat ng talento ng iba't ibang dance group po dito sa Central Luzon. At gaya ng sinabi ko, partner, out of 41 dance groups na nakapasok ng audition, 10 ang nakasurvive. At eto na nga po sila ngayon.
Ayan, tama ka dyan, partner Sarah. Lahat sila magagaling talaga. At mamaya makita natin ang tinatago pa nilang galing sa pagsayaw. At mga ka-pips, lahat ng ito ay hindi magiging posible po kundi dahil sa ating mga sponsors. Pasalamat muna ako sa ating mga sponsors. And the Ultimate Dance Challenge is presented to you by Sunmig Light. Mahaba-habang inuman pag sila ay nanalo dito, okay? Pep TV Channel 3, TV38. And at syempre pa, Pep TV Channel 3, kung kayo po ay naka-cable, Pep TV Channel 3 tayo.
Yes.
And also sponsored by Marky Mall. Palakpakan naman natin ang Marky Mall. Wala bang malakas na
Thank you
palakpak?
very much, Marky Mall.
Sa napakagandang sounds at saka itong venue natin. And Savers Appliance Depot, dito sa napakagandang video wall natin. Home Clark, ACCTN, CLC Television Network.
Okay, maraming salamat din po sa Apollo Fly Cable TV Incorporated, Clear Vision Cable TV, Golden Eagle Cable Corporation, Good Shepherd Cable TV Network, High-Tech Cable TV Incorporated, Marivela Space Cable Incorporated, Plaridel Rainbow Cable TV Incorporated, Primecast Villarama Cable Television Network, Hacienda Club, Velvet Bar and Lounge, New Street, Ultra Family KTV, at
And in part by Angeles Observer, yung pong official photographer natin si Ronan Katanghal, Coffee Date, DJ Tico Arts and Vision para sa mga trophies natin, and Central Luzon's Business Week.
At syempre mga kapips at mga kapitbahay, para tulungan tayong mapili ang pinakamagaling na dance crew, we would like to introduce to you po ang panel of judges.
Okay, let's start with the beautiful ladies, a former member of the SSA Dance Troupe and the St. Scholastic Academy Alumni Batch 87 dancers, choreographer, principal dancer during college at St. Louis University, Baguio City, and former flight attendant at Saudi Airlines. Palakpakan po natin ng malakas ang ating judge number 1, Miss Chrissy Fajardo. Please stand, ma'am, and face the camera. Ayan, kaway sa mga ating mga fans. Next one.
Yes, ang next judge po natin, dancer and TV performer po siya ng isang sikat na TV station dito po sa Pilipinas. Group fitness instructor din po siya at Slimmers World International Philippines.
Alam niyo to, napanood ko sa pelikulang First Day High. Siya yung nagbabasketball na naka-headband, na kulay red ang uniform,
okay.
na sumasayaw-sayaw, na bumabali-bali
kaya pala
katawan
familiar
niya.
siya.
Okay?
Okay, and currently performing po siya at Universal Studio at Resorts World Sentosa, Singapore.
Napanood ko rin siya sa Flashbook no October 16.
Nag-guest din siya doon.
Nag-guest, okay?
So, let me welcome Mr. Francis Malyari.
Palakpak naman po sa ating judge number 2, Francis Malyari. Next one, of course, former Miss Mutian ng Pilipinas. Way back then, 1995, sinabi pa yung year. And Mrs. World, 2001, the first runner-up. And the beautiful movie and TV actress, walang iba, ang aking kaibigan, Miss Maricel Marang Morales. Di ba napakaganda pa rin hanggang ngayon?
Oo nga.
Okay?
Still beautiful and sexy.
At syempre, eto na yung pinag-uusapan natin madalas. Pagdating dun sa criteria of judging, marami pong mga magagaling na dance group, marami din yung iba't ibang mga criteria for judging. Kakaiba po ito dahil matindi ang papremyo natin dito, okay? And our criteria for judging, 25% for content. This is the variety, difficulty, uniqueness, and continuity of dance movements and combination appropriate to the music. Ano pa, Sarah?
30% naman po for execution. Ito po ang proper performance of footwork, movements, alignment, framework, rhythm, timing, and variations po ng sayaw nila.
25% for style. This is the artistic interpretation, enthusiasm, flair, and accent of movements. Ayan, mga kaibigan, napansin nyo, meron remaining 20%.
Ano ba yung remaining 20% natin, partner?
Napapansin niyo po yung mga nagbibilang dito.
Ang dami niya na.
3 taon na po sila nagbibilang ng tansan. Okay. Yung 20% po, yan po yung kanilang tansan votes o yung crown votes ng San Miglite. Okay? May 51 groups po ang nag-audition. 10 na lang nakarating sa finals. 5 lang ang magiging champion. Yung magiging champion, first, tama ba? Champion, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, magkano naman ang premyo?
Siyempre, ang matatanggap po ng ating grand winner ngayon sa Ultimate Dance Challenge ay 50,000 pesos.
Okay, 50,000 pesos, 30,000 sa second, third, 20,000, 15 sa fourth, and the fifth is 10,000. Huwag na natin patagalin pa, mga kaibigan.
Let's give it up for
the Dream Guys!
Ako po si Kevin Baltasar and ang name po ng grupo namin ay Dream Guys sa taga Megawayan, Bulacan. Ang pinakamalaking panalo po ng grupo namin ay nag-champion po kami sa isang brand ng soft drinks na kung saan nanalo po kami ng 200,000 pesos. We are the Dream Guys Dance Crew of Megawayan, Bulacan, and this is our attempt to outdance and overpower the best dancers of Central Luzon and conquer the Ultimate Dance Challenge.
I need to recruit all the soldiers, all the guys soldiers. We at war. He's back. Hit the motherfucker, baby! Come on! Let's go! Yeah. I take you to the candy shop. Engage. Hip-hop.
Okay!
Thank you
Maraming
very
salamat,
much,
Dream
Dream
Guys!
Guys.
Natin.
Okay, ang next group po natin, second group na magpe-perform from Calamba, Laguna sila, partner.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yes!
the Freestylers!
Ako po si Adrian Lopez of Freestylers, Calamba City, Laguna. Sumali po kami sa EDC para po ipamalas yung talento na ibigay sa amin ng Diyos at ipakita sa ibang tao kung ano meron kami na kaya namin magpasaya ng ibang tao.
We are the Freestylers of Calamba, Laguna.
This is my story. This is who I am. I am king of the streets.
And now, ladies and gentlemen,
Mapapansin mo ba kaya ang tulad at kung ikaw ay nakatawa, ako pa ba ay nakikita?
Get up! Cue y'all.
Hit it, 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 hit it. What's going on?
B-boys, turn the battle.
Ready? Let's go!
Back for deep with back with deep for back for deep with back for deep for.
Ay, sayang. Di mo nagawa. Subukan mo kaya to.
Uy, San Miglite? Pwede. Low-calorie San Miglite. Magaan sa tiyan.
Kaya mo yan. Kaya ko to.
transform.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Okay.
Maraming salamat, Freestyler!
Thank you very much.
Okay. Guys from Laguna, kamukha nung semifinals, now in the finals, lagi nyo akong pinapakaba. Buti na lang wala akong sakit sa puso. Okay, anyway, in every performance, we always have this, what you call, the show must go on. I don't know if that's your trick, I don't know if that's an error, pero you carried it well. A sign of a good performer. So execution-wise, it was fine.
Yan. Take your bow, freestylers, sa ating mga judges.
Salamat, freestyler. Okay, for our next group, mga kapitbayan, mga kahapips, let me introduce to you, Boys Are Back!
Boys are back! And they're back!
Ako pala si Jover Torres, kami ang Boys Are Back from Tarlac City. Kung kami ang papalaring manalo, gagawin namin sa papremo, ibibigay namin at itutulong namin sa pamilya pati na rin sa grupo namin. We are the Boys Are Back from Tarlac City.
Judgment Day.
Kasitingan, kagalingan, karangalan. Sa digmaan, talino ang pinakamabisang kasangkapan. Sa amin kung saan nakatamtaman at katamaran at hindi pinapalagpas ang tinuturing na kasalanan. Natakbiyo-biyo piyasa sa lawak ng kaisipan. Sa paghahanap ng kaalaman, walang tigil humakbang. At sa kahit anong pagsubok, walang may kaya makipagsabayan. Mananatili akong BUP ngayon at magpakailanhan.
In the Air Force One of the globe, I can't get it. I'm sick with it when I spit the venom in it. Flips up in a minute, gets the women in a now, what? That's what I thought was gone now. I'm like,
Ladies and gentlemen, from Marikina City, FMD Extreme!
Ako po si Jansen Villen Milante. Nanggaling po sa grupong FMD Extreme. Tumali po kami sa UDC para po kung sakali pong pala rin po yung grupo namin na manalo, yung pera po na makukuha namin ay dadagdag po namin sa pondo namin para makaalis po kami ng makakumpit po kami sa ibang bansa.
We are the FMD Extreme of Marikina City.
Introducing the FMD.
You don't have to be beautiful to turn me on. You don't have to be rich to be my girl. You don't have to be cool to rule my world. Ain't no particular sign I'm more compatible with. I just want your extra time and your. Think I better dance now.
Rollie all bust down, call the perfect timing though. Tell my jeweler freeze me, just change the climate, ho. Black, marry me and Maga getting low, Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, ang daming palakpak nito.
FMD Extreme.
Thank you very much. FMD
Boys, dito muna tayo.
Oh, huwag mo nang aalis.
FMD Extreme, kumusta kayo? Guys, nakita tayo ulit. Sila yung nag-champion for Slimmers World International, di ba? I was part of that. I'm from Slimmers World. And at the same time, hindi nyo pa rin ako binigo. Excellent pa rin yung performance nyo. And yung tricks nyo, yung timing nung tugtog dun sa tricks, okay, ganun pa rin. Si Kuya, parang tatlo na lang yung tatlo ba? 1, 2, 3, no? Original lahat? Okay. Guys, ang galing nyo. Good job.
Yan, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po. Ang next group po natin, ang Boys Are Back.
Yes! Palakpakan natin! Boys Are Back!
Ako pala si Jover Torres. Kami ang Boys Are Back from Tarlac City. Kung kami ang papalaring manalo, gagawin namin sa papremo, ibibigay namin at itutulong namin sa pamilya pati na rin sa grupo namin. We are the Boys Are Back from Tarlac City.
And old hatreds will be revived. Let's go.
boys are back.
The boys are back. Let's dance.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Yassi Fresma!
We're too far away, and we can't get back yesterday. But we're young right now, we got right now, so get up right now, 'cause all we got is right 'cause all we got is right now. All we got is right now. Baby, tonight I need you, and I feel it when I see you. Wherever you wanna go, whenever, baby, I'm yours. Tomorrow way too far away, and we can't get back yesterday. But we're young right now, we got right now, so get up right now, 'cause all we got is right now. Tomorrow we're too far away, and we can't get back yesterday. But we're young right now, we got right now, so get up right now, 'cause all we got is right now. Hi guys, kumusta kayo dyan? Hi! Hello! Good luck kayo. Hi! Hi guys! Cause all we got is right now. So close I can taste you. Ain't scared I can taste you. Can't fight the feeling. Got me feeling. You got me feeling. Something you wanted to do all your life. There's no more waiting. Tonight is the night. And it can't be wrong. Not if it feels this right. Turn it up, scream it loud, yeah. Tomorrow we're too far away, and we can't get back yesterday. But we're young right now, we got right now, so get up right now, 'cause all we got is right now. Tomorrow we're too far away, and we can't get back yesterday. But we're young right now, we got right now, so get up right now, 'cause all we got is right now. All we got is right now.
Okay, sige. Maraming salamat. Napasaya tayo ni Yasi Pressman sa kanyang sayaw. Eto na, tuloy-tuloy na tayo mga kaibigan. Palakpakan po natin ng malakas ang Excellence Reaction Force
from Malolos, Bulacan.
Hi, I am Jem of Excellent Reaction. Sumali kami sa Ultimate Dance Challenge ng 105.5 because lagi kami nasa-challenge to compete yung malalaking grupo dito sa Luzon. Mahilig kami sumali sa malalaking contest katulad nito kasi nga maraming grupo kaming na-encounter na may kakaiba ring guts katulad namin. Doon kami nasa-challenge.
We are the Excellent Reaction Force from Malolos, Bulacan.
Haters start to wonder, then they talk behind your back and they weapons.
This is my story, the story of my husband, and the story of my husband's lover.
Ito ang kwento ng pag-ibig na ikagigimbal ng mga puso at magpapalaya sa mga nagkukubling damdamin.
Ako si Lali. Ito ang kwento ng aking kasal na nakatakda na palang mawasan.
I can't believe what you said to me last night. We were alone. You threw your hands up, baby. You gave up. You gave up. I can't believe how you looked at me with your James Dean glossy eyes, with your tight jeans, with your long hair, and your cigarette stained lies.
I get it poppin'.
Ako si Lali.
isang mabuting ina. Masusubok ang aking katatagan ng paparating na unos.
Sana huwag na ulit mawawala, please.
Marami pong salamat! Excellence Reaction Force. Sige, palak.
For the second group ng ating second batch, The Matrix!
Ako po si Gelson Galvez ng Matrix Dancers. Pagbabago po ng UDC po sa grupo namin ay ang masaya po ang mga taga sa amin dahil nakasali po kami dito sa 105.5 FM UDC.
We are the Matrix Dancers of Guagua, Pampanga.
The moment we stop fighting for each other, that's the moment that we lose our humanity.
SWAT is the most honored and most professional police division in the world.
Take the most powerful nations on Earth. To create the next global conflict.
Has the power to override their whole system.
Stick together, team. Prepare for glory!
In the name of Jesus, amen. Let's move. World ain't saving itself. World ain't saving itself.
Okay, team, follow my command. Smoke every day. Hold up. Oh!
Right now we got some new Snoop Doggy Dogg for that ass. This one's called
You know what happened with the D.R.E.
Okay, team.
B-boys, time to battle. Okay, party people in the house.
And now, ladies and gentlemen,
It's not the way to do it.
Heads up. Resolution.
There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. We are all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, you know, love is all we
This is the police speaking. Mission accomplished. Counter-terrorists win.
Marami pong salamat, The Matrix!
Thank you very much, The Matrix!
Hello, The Matrix. Parang kilala ko yun. Dati ka bang PIA? Ha? Oh, no. Okay. The Matrix, I like the costume. Talagang snappy. Nadala niyo yung character niyo. So, you stay in character as a military, as a SWAT, whatever. Is that your character trying to implement, right? So, formation, variety, okay naman. Pero syempre, yung ginawa ni Kuya, markado yon, yung blindfold na may upuan at non-stop na head spin. So, guys, good job. I hope I can see more variety pa. Pero okay yung ginawa nyo. For all in all, it's perfect. Almost.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Bao.
Sir
The Matrix para sa ating mga
Bao
judges.
Oo, syempre.
Palakpakin na natin.
Give it up for
Boys in Town!
Ako po si Arvin Jones Velasquez. Ang grupo ko po ay Boys in Town. Ang naging impact po ng UDC sa grupo namin ay yung pagiging matatag sa practice kahit umuulan, kahit na bumabagyo.
We are the Boys in Town of Tarlac City.
When you moving numbers, all the haters start to wonder, then they talk about.
Now here's something from Boys in Town.
Let's do it, yo.
You got mud on your face, you big disgrace.
Hey! Hey! Wala bang palakpakan dyan, ha? Hey! 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 Hey!
Rock and roll.
Out! Aray! Out!
Darling, there will never be another. 'Cause I love you so. Don't ever leave me. Say you never go, go, go. Bring that booty over here, baby. Bring that booty over here, over here.
The original Playboy.
Kung ikaw ay nakatawa, ako pa ba ay nakikita?
Let me love you, Carmelita. Let me kiss and hold you tight. Oh no.
Hey girl, what you doing down there?
Boys in Town.
Senior citizen.
I like you a lot. You guys. Yes. Okay, this is a dance challenge. Pero ang nakita ko, you brought performing arts to a higher level. Dati kasi ako sa performing arts, that's what I'm trying to say. I would say that you raised the standard of this competition. You got everything, artistic move, the dance move, and you got the audience. So I would say, bravo.
So,
Eto na!
let's give it up for
The Exorcist!
Ako po pala si Jake ng Exorcist Dance Crew. Doon sa premyo, itatabi muna namin siguro para gawin namin pondo sa susunod pang laban namin. Sa harap ang costume rin.
We are the Exorcist of Lubao, Pampanga.
The Exorcist. to me.
Beats hot.
Whole lot of time if you stick fucking with us. So you can spend a lot of drama. Don't want the drama. We leave you stuck in the dust. Shit.
Let's do this. Everything must come to an end.
Ladies and gentlemen, your very own here in Angeles City, the Body Shocks!
Hi, I'm Serena Joyce Rivera of Body Shocks Days. Kung mananalo man po kami sa contest na ito, ang gagawin po namin sa premyo is do po namin para sa mga kailangan pa po ng grupo namin.
We are the Body Shocks Days of Angeles City, Pampanga.
Rivals proudly presents Mega Freak Beats.
Bring it back on it, give me the thing, become a waffle lock on it, wine it, wiggle it, set the chop on it. 2 more shots, now we in a hot panic. 2 girl and I'm ready for jump on it. True to my word, I'm ready for thump on it, ready for run on it, ready for dunk on it. Tag team in fire truck, we pump on it. Hands up high, we burning up the sky. We got the dance all crazy, got the club on fire. I like the way you dance, you got me in a trance. My baby, she don't mind at all. Girl, I got you so high, and I know you like. So come on, push it on me, if it feels alright. Or the drop it low and bring me up. No, she doesn't mind. She doesn't mind. She doesn't mind. Girl, I got you so.
It's the way you love me, touch me, touch me. It's the way you touch me, love me, it's the way you love me. The way you love me, baby, you got me going crazy. The way you love me, baby, you got me going crazy. The way you love me, baby, you got me going crazy. The way you love me, baby, you got me going crazy. You got me going crazy. You got me going crazy. Baby, don't stop. You know how I like it, daddy, when you hit the spot. Baby, don't stop. I'ma take control when I come up on the side. I can tell that the magic race you wanna be a witness. I know your ex and miss wasn't hitting like that.
You know you think they ready? Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
the Body Sharks.
Thank you.
Body Shock Babes. Yeah. Well, I like the performance. Yung music, sobrang upbeat ng music para akong nagsusumba. I like the belly dancing style. I like the liftings, the formations, the variety. I've seen it. So far, so good. Okay naman.
Okay. Ang mga kaibigan, nagpapakilala po ang mga matikindi ngayon sa Central Luzon. Sarah?
Oo. Familiar ka ba sa kantang Power of Two, partner?
Aba, siyempre naman, napapatugtog din natin sa The Ultimate 105.5 yan. Okay? Oo.
Nalalamangan yan dahil meron po tayong Power of Three. Dito po,
sa Central Luzon, ha? Power of Three?
Oo, Power of Three.
Matindi, nadaig yung Power of Two.
Oo.
Oo. Amaya niya, meron pa kayong Power of Four. Power of Three. Ano ba yung mga Power of Three? We have Pep TV Channel 3. We have TV38. And the Central Luzon's most powerful FM station, The Ultimate 105.5 FM.
Being with the most powerful, the Advocate, and the Unlimited can get you further in touch with your community and with the region at large. Sending you airwaves filled with comprehensive news, advocacy, entertainment, and public affairs. Translated in your very own radio, cable TV, and free TV. The Ultimate 105.5 FM. It made everybody happy by spreading good music and news in its pioneer year, and it is now promising to break new grounds and soar new heights when it comes to radio broadcasting. Teamed with People, Entertainment and Public Affairs Channel, Pep TV. Your #1 community and advocacy channel is in pursuit of strengthening its broadcast by delivering quality entertainment and public affairs programs to its viewers. And the addition to the Powerhouse Media Partnership is an upcoming regional television station sharing equal and unlimited power in bringing to you news, public affairs, and entertainment programs that will satisfy your satiety in regional broadcasting. The Ultimate 105.5 FM, Pep TV Channel 3, TV38, a media triad advocating unlimited power in broadcasting throughout the region.
Okay, thank you again sa ating mga sponsors, mga sumuporta po, mga kaibigan. Nakita niyo naman kung paano katindi yung tatlong
yung
yan,
tatlo.
okay? O sige, okay. Kakabit ng 10,000 cash prize. Dito tayo, Sarah, patingin nung yan.
Oh, nakita mo na.
Ladies and gentlemen, our fourth goes to Ultimate Dance Challenge for the Freestyler! Freestyler, come on!
Ladies and gentlemen, our fourth placer, the Freestyler!
Freestyler! Maraming pong salamat. Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Yung third, itatext na lang namin sa inyo. Okay, here we go. With the third placer, sa palagay po ninyo, isang malakas na sigaw naman dyan. Yan! UDC Ultimate Dance Challenge third placer goes out to the Body Shock!
Congratulations, Body Shock Babes!
Ito na mga kaibigan. Yan, maraming salamat.
Okay, congratulations sa ating third placer. Ano bang mapapanalunan ng ating second placer, partner?
20,000 pesos! 20,000. Sarah, isigaw mo na!
Okay, for our second placer of the Ultimate Dance Challenge. Oh, kala nyo dali lang.
Okay. Sige.
Nakabahan na sila.
Okay.
For our second placer, congratulations to The
Matrix! Ang susunod na trophy, Sir Francis, ikaw nang humawak. Medyo mabigat na po ng konti. Picture. Okay, congratulations.
Congratulations sa ating second placer.
Okay. Sino na? Ladies and gentlemen, with palaki ang premyo First placer will bring home 30,000. Isang malakas na sigaw for... Sino sa palagay ninyo? Ladies and gentlemen, Boys in Town!
Congratulations, ating first placer, Boys in Town! Thank you very much! Congratulations po sa inyo! They will bring home 30,000 pesos! Good job!
Ultimate Dance Challenge Grand Champion goes out to FMD Extreme!
Congratulations!
Oh, okay. FMD, maraming salamat. Shower din pag may
Oo nga.
Oh, congratulations. Oh, bibilangin muna. Harap.
Celebration. Oh, bilangin muna natin
Sino
yung
leader?
50,000 pesos.
Sino leader? Dito. Oh, sino tatanggap doon? Tatanggap. Bilang. Kikita sa camera. Okay.
Salamat.
50,000
pesos. For their performance, makikita po natin ulit silang magpe-perform ang ating grand winner ng Ultimate Dance Challenge.
Ito po ang nagpa-champion sa kanila sa Ultimate Dance Challenge. And we present to you again this year, UDC Grand Winner, the FMD Extreme!
Introducing the FMD.
maraming salamat sa ating live TV Channel 3.
Marky Mall.
At magandang gabi.
Have a great evening
Enjoy
po,
shopping.
everyone.